All right, let him in.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Everybody in, Linda?
Everybody should be still joining some people, but for the most part, everybody should be in.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is Monday, September 12th.
Morning.
I'm going to call the docket. We have a large docket today, 100 cases to call. And, I will call the attorneys that are present. And then after I've called the attorneys that are present, I'll call the remainder of the docket. I would ask everybody to mute themselves until I call upon you. That way we don't have interference with the docket call. Let's see, Valerie Headland, good morning to you. What case number are you on?
Good morning, Your Honor. Lindsay Banks. And I'm not sure what page she's on. It should be 674427.
She's also on page 1, 626-283.
626-283 and 626-284, 285, 674-427. Busy. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Listed as a fugitive.
No,
Lindsay?
she was actually booked and just released, I believe, yesterday. So she should be cleared on all that.
All
And
right.
Judge, the clerk ran that information for me, Judge. This is your bailiff. It does show clear, Judge.
Lindsay Banks, are you here?
Yes, she's muted. Yeah, there you
Yes, I'm here. So sorry.
Oh,
I've done my universe
there
very
you
well.
go. Ms. Headland, this has been reset 13 times. We need to push this along.
Your Honor, I was just appointed like a week ago. So
Oh,
I take no credit or accountability for those prior settings, but I'm ready
I hear
to
you.
do what we can on this now. Could I talk to a prosecutor or get in line?
Absolutely. You'll be number 1 for conferring.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Christopher Castro.
Yes, Judge, I'm here on Juan Peña Cáceres, case number 661-522.
61.
522 on page 3.
Let's see, Juan Peña Cáceres,
Yes, Judge.
are you present? Juan Peña Cáceres.
I don't see him, Judge, but I can have him log in.
This been reset 13 times also, Mr. Castro. We need to push this.
It's pending felonies, Judge, but my
I know.
understanding is that they're going to be TIC'd at the next felony setting, this case.
All right, how about 30 days or 45?
Let's do 45, Judge. But it should be resolved by then.
We've got 2 felonies pending. All right,
October 31st.
Thank you.
don't wear a mask.
Okay. I was like, wait, what?
All right,
right.
let's see. Jerry Kagan.
I'm here, Judge. I have David Zamora. I don't have a case number in front of me.
Somebody got one?
Case number 682045, page 6, 682045.
And he's a fugitive on his felonies. I'm sure he's a fugitive on your cases too. I would just ask for a bond increase.
All right, sir. Felony, failure to appear. You are present. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Yay. Have a good day.
We'll see you later.
Let's see who we have. Stephen Arce.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm here for Miss Zuniga on page 8, Judge. 686-183.
686 183. Yesenia Zuniga.
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Zuniga.
Good morning.
Thank you for being here on time. Mr. Arce, what are you going to do today?
Yes, Judge, if we can just get a short 30-day reset. I'm just pending some discovery from the state and the portal went down on me on Friday.
But for the choice of words, you are reset 30 days.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right. Let's see. You're excused.
Thank you, Judge.
September 17th.
And you're excused, Ms. Zuniga. Thank you.
September
Thank you.
17th or October
I mean,
17th?
I'm sorry, October 17th. Sorry.
Stay in touch
Sorry.
with your attorney, ma'am.
Perfect, Ms. Flores. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
You're welcome. Let's see. Keith Engelke.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
I'm
morning.
here for Matthew Tejas.
What's the case number?
I believe it's 386, 614, and 615. He's on page 8.
Linda, which one is, what's the case number?
It is going to be 686-314 and 315.
Okay. And
Yes.
that is Matthew Tejas. Matthew Tejas, are you present?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mr. Tejas. Thank you for being on
Good
time.
morning, sir.
Scott, what are you gonna do?
He has a felony pending.
You've got the worst sound system I've ever worked with. I have a hard time understanding you, Scott.
Your Honor, he has a felony pending.
He has a felony pending, Judge.
Right, you got 3 of them, in fact. And all 3 are unindicted.
It's 4.
Let's give you 60 days, Mr. Engelke.
Thank you, Judge.
All righty.
60
you.
days would be, hold on, give me 1 second. November 14th.
Thank you. Are you excused?
Yes, sir, you're excused. As slow as this pen, it ran out of ink.
The gentleman with under iPhone, sir, you need to sit up and be fully dressed for the courts. You need to sit up and be fully dressed for the court, sir. You will be removed.
Okay. Hold on, let me get it right now. How do I take this shit off?
Let's see. Austin Hagee.
I'm here, Your Honor. I'm here for Demlati Bamajoko. It's going to be 685-747.
685-747. And that is Demilad Bamijoko.
Yeah, he goes by Demi, Your Honor. I need to confirm with the state. I was recently retained on this case. He's present here.
Okay, because I show Gail as attorney.
Yeah, I informed Gail that I took over the case.
All right, and it is Austin Hagee. And is Mr. Bamijoko here?
He is.
Speak up, where are you?
Judge, he's under Demi B.
sir, I'm here.
Okay, I see him. And what are you doing this morning, sir?
I'd like to confer with the prosecution. I think this is one that's probably going to work itself out.
I doubt if anything works itself out, but you'll have to make it work out. Okay,
What we're here for, Judge. Thank you.
you're welcome. Let me see who else I can find here that's. Let's see some hands for attorneys. All right, Donald. Man, somebody's shifting me around here. I saw a hand. What the hell's going on with the screen, ladies?
I don't know.
B. Robles,
Good morning, Judge.
good morning.
I'm here for Olga Rivera. Her case number is 685-374. She is present, Your Honor, and we'd like to confer.
That's Olga Rivera.
That's correct, sir.
Alrighty, I'll show you conferring, ma'am. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hands, Javier Garcia.
Your Honor, good morning. I'm here for two clients for Mr. Shannon Locke, the attorney of record. The first one is Desiree Larry Clafman, 682-159. She is present via Zoom.
682-159. Desiree, Larry,
Clafman.
Chapman, alrighty. And Javier, you're here for Shannon Luck?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Are you gonna confer?
Yes, Your Honor. And I do have a second client, Your Honor.
The other one?
Is Rick Garza, 620-512.
620.
I don't.
512. Rick Garza. Rick
Here,
Garza.
Your Honor.
speak up. Is he
He's
in the
present in the
courtroom?
courtroom, Judge. He is present in the courtroom.
Very good. Now, Javier. Mr. Garcia,
Yes, Your Honor.
this thing's been reset 17 times. I want to hear something today.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm going to confer with the state as well as call the client to talk to him.
All right. Stick around, Mr. Garza. All right,
Judge, if I
now-
could chime in on 685-374, I'm submitting a dismissal to your Adobe sign as we speak.
Which one's that one?
685-374.
Bottom of page 7, Judge.
Okay. On Rivera. Thank you, Mr. Delco. How was your vacation last week?
Vacation? No, I was in mandatory training all week.
All
I wish it was a vacation.
right, let's see. Ms. Headland, are you back?
Yes, sir.
Which case number was it?
Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3.
626-3, page 1.
Right, that's Banks.
Yes, yes, sir.
And what's the report?
We have, she has 4 cases pending in here and the dates are kind of all over the place. So I would ask for Linda to at least sync us up on dates. And she has 3 new felonies that I don't have any discovery on out of 186. And I'm not sure when those will be indicted or set. So I would request that the court set us out with the felonies pending. And Kenny is in agreement with that too.
Well, let's give you 60 days then.
Okay. And then one other matter, though, I don't know if I should come in and talk to you in person, Judge. Miss Banks was put on antabuse for some reason, and it's a DWI first. I believe it's probably pretrial violations. The state is not opposed to removing that condition to pretrial.
All right, Linda,
Yes, sir.
make sure that we enter an order amending the bail condition to remove the antabuse.
Judge, we are going to ask for 0 tolerance though, please.
Yes.
I'm sorry?
0 tolerance for Ms. Headland's client.
All right. Do that
Yes, sir.
too, Linda.
Yes, sir. Valerie, November the 14th. On all
And
the-
that's on all of them, Linda. So even the ones that were the 27th, they're going to be November.
I will move them all to November
Okay.
the 14th.
Okay, thank you. May Lindsay and I be excused, Your Honor.
You're excused. Take care.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
You too. John Gomez.
Morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Mr. Blank's page 3, 665-851. And there's an 852 as well that's attached to
Right.
it.
Yes, sir. John Blanks, are you present?
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right,
Your Honor, if I could confer on these 2 cases?
you're here for Sean Brown?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay. I'll show you conferring on those cases.
Thank you.
Rebecca Brett.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Miss Belinda Casillas. Her case number is 682-616.
682-616 on page
Top of page
7.
7.
Is
Oh, there's-
Belinda Casillas present?
Here.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
And Ms. Brett, you're going to confer on this?
Yes, Judge, if I may. And can my client be excused while I confer?
Yes, ma'am. Ms. Casillas, stay in communication with your attorney, Ms. Brett. She's asked for me to release you for today, and I do so. Take care. Thank you for being here on time.
Thank you.
Neftali, I've shown you conferring, Ms. Brett. Neftali Rodriguez.
Yes, Judge. Here on 670592, Shaquille Wilkerson. She's on page.
Say again the number.
670592. I think it's on page 3 or 4.
Page 4.
To turn this off.
All right, that is Shakia Wilkerson. Shakia Wilkerson,
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, Mr. Rodriguez, you're going to confer on this?
Yes, Judge, the first setting.
I'm showing you conferring. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Stephen Harkowitz. You're muted.
Morning, Judge.
morning,
I've
Steve.
got Jesus de la Cruz, case number 690-160.
690-160. That's page 10 or 11. No, 10. 690-1 what?
160.
Gotcha. Yes. There's no no file on that. Why don't we just go ahead and reset you?
That'd be great, Judge.
Let's give you 45 days. There's no file. Maybe dust will settle by then.
October 31st.
Did Mr. De La Cruz respond?
Is he in the courtroom possibly? Today was his first setting.
Who is it that you're looking for, sir?
Jesus de la Cruz.
Nobody answers by that name, sir, in the courtroom.
Okay, well, there's no file on it, so I'm just going to reset it for 45 days. Stephen Harkowitz, make sure your client is aware of the new date and make sure that he shows up.
I will, Judge. Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir. Donald Wilson.
Morning, Judge. I've got John Espinosa, case number 682-495. I think it's on page 7.
There you go. You guys are helpful when you give me the page. 682-497.
495.
495.
Pardon me, 495, right at the top. He is in jail. That
Yes,
means
sir.
he is present involuntarily. What are you doing on this one?
Well, he'd been MIA for a while. We've got a felony pending. He has been indicted out of the 175th, but I don't show a court date set yet.
All right. Let's give you 60 days then in this case.
All right, that'd be great.
Now, well, you know, he's in jail, so why don't we make it 40 days and see if it gels a little bit by then?
Okay,
All right.
that's good.
Reset 40, Linda.
Okay, October the 24th.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, then we've got somebody in the courtroom. I don't recognize you. Who is it?
Robert Valdez, Your Honor.
Robert, no te conocía. I'm sorry about that.
I'm dressed up. That's
What
why
you got?
I've been
You
here.
got at least 2 cases, don't you?
Victor Givens and Andrew Rodriguez.
Case
Victor
number.
6640381 is Victor Givens. I don't have the page.
It's on page 2, Judge.
Yes.
I'd like to set it for motion to suppress, Your Honor.
Set motion to suppress. All righty. Is he here, Mr. Givens?
He's on Zoom. He's supposed to be on Zoom.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Morning. Hey, Mr. Valdez.
Good morning.
And your second case, excuse me,
That would be Andrew.
Raimundo Duarte,
Andrew, no, that's this afternoon,
That's
Judge.
this afternoon, Judge.
right?
Andrew Rodriguez is the next one. That's 673-494.
Hold on a second, Robert. Are you able to join me back at 11:30 to do this motion?
I have motion set this afternoon, Judge, at 2:00 and 3:00, I believe.
The only
then
problem is I'm not available this afternoon. I have to change that.
Oh, okay.
Can we do this tomorrow, Linda?
I think we have another one set tomorrow, Judge, but I'll look. Give me a second.
Get the earliest date possible, since I can't do it today.
Okay.
I can come back, Judge. I've got district courts waiting also.
Alrighty. And Raymond Duarte,
Mr. Valdez, just come see me when you're done.
Yes, okay, I will on both of the afternoon cases, but what about Andrew Rodriguez?
What's the case number?
673-494.
Page 4. Andrew Rodriguez.
And he's on Zoom.
Good morning, Mr. Rodriguez.
Good morning, Judge.
And what are you doing? You going to confer on that one, Robert?
Well, I'd like to set it for motions, Judge, motion to suppress.
No problem.
Okay, just come see me, Mr. Valdez, and we'll set all 3 of your clients for motion to suppress them.
And the 2 today and also the 2 this afternoon then.
Yes.
Okay? May I be excused then?
Yes, sir. You're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Good seeing you.
Same here. Bob B. Robles, excuse me.
Good morning, Judge. I'm back from conferring with Mr. Doko. He's gonna tender a dismissal on Ms. Olga Rivera, page 7, last
Right.
one listed.
He's already reported that. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge. Are we excused?
Yes, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Ms. Rivera, you can log off. I'll send you the dismissal.
George, is that you? In the courtroom, George?
Rodriguez?
Sorry, Judge, now you can hear me.
Yes, sir. I can hear you clearly.
Judge, I'm here with Angela Smith. She's on page 3 of your docket. We came in a little bit late because she had to appear in the district court today. But
Well,
she's here present in the courtroom.
And what are you doing this morning?
Judge, I'd like to reset this case and see what happens with her felony. On the felony, today was her first appearance date.
Well, how about 45 days?
Sounds perfect.
October 31st.
31.
Jorge, don't wear a costume.
I might, Your Honor.
Wear a judicial robe. How about that?
Well, that would be, well, I better not go there.
All right. Take care. You're
Thank you,
excused.
Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, sir. Brian De La Rosa.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I've got 2 cases on page 4, Dominic Sesco, George Rodriguez. I believe both of them are here. If I could confirm both of those.
Dominic Sesco.
Yes, Your Honor.
668-507.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
And Brian, what are you doing on this one?
I need to confer on both of them, Your Honor. This is my first appearance on both.
All right. And the other one is which one? The very next
George.
one. Jorge Rodriguez.
Yes.
Jorge Rodriguez, are you present?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
And you're going to confer on that one too.
Remove
Okay.
your cap, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. You all are. You stick around. Your attorney's going to be doing some work for you. Karen Corby.
Morning, Your Honor.
I'm here on Ronald Hochleitner, cause number 630740. Unfortunately, Judge, I haven't been able to get in contact with him. I've tried all sorts of different means of contact and I've been unsuccessful so far. So
Your Honor, I am at the courtroom.
Ronald Hochleitner?
Yes, I am present at the courtroom.
Okay, great. Can you put me in line to confer with the prosecutor, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Hochleitner, can you call me?
Absolutely, ma'am. I did receive a phone call.
I'll show you conferring, Ms. Corby.
Thank you.
You have one case?
That's it, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Pat Montgomery.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm well. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I have Mr. Alex Arduin. His case number 632674. He is in the courtroom.
Very good.
Decent.
It's
Yes,
been
sir.
reset.
Present, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. It's been
Morning.
reset 13 times, Patrick. I need this bumped along.
He has been accepted for pretrial diversion. And he is here to sign the contract. So bumping along means I think that once he puts his signature on that contract, that he,
Sounds good. All you have to do then is do the work and he's all through.
well, then he has to do the work to make pretrial diversion work, right, Mr. Ardoin? All right, Judge, we'll get it done.
Real good. Thank you.
How many days do we reset this, Judge?
I believe that if the prosecution has the contract, they emailed me and told me they had the contract, that they'll dismiss it as soon as he signed it.
He's already completed all the conditions?
No, sir, he's completed the application, been accepted by the committee, and now they have a contract for him to sign.
All right. Very good then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Austin Hagee again. Mr. Hagee.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. I'm sorry. I was turning my microphone back on. I've conferred with ADA Kinney. We've discussed a Demi's case. That's 685747.
Page 8, Judge.
Right. All right.
I have quite a bit of mitigation evidence that I'm going to be sending to Kinney. This is one I think may result in the dismissal. After review some of the evidence, we will see. He wants some time to review that and also speak to the victim and see how the case is going to go. So he asked for some time to do that. I'm going to say
40 days.
40 days? Okay. That'll work, Your Honor.
October 24th?
October 24th? Okay. That'll work for me.
Very good. Then you're in your client's shoes. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I'll call you, David.
Attorneys, anybody else? Make yourself known. Attorney,
Mr. Ethan's iPhone, please remove the cap. Ethan's iPhone, please remove the cap. Thank you.
Judge, this is Kirk Sherman. I've got a down.
Sherman, there you are. I see you. What you got? What's the case number?
Case number.
Oh, I don't have the case number.
I got it.
Hold on.
494-097.
494.
672541, Judge, page 4.
My apologies.
I have the page. Don't touch it.
It's my understanding, Judge, he's on his way to TDC. We're trying to clean up everything and get him eligible to get on the bus.
Now he's sitting in jail and you say he's heading for TDC?
That's what I'm told, Judge.
Very specifically TDC ID. And it's on 2 felonies?
Yes, sir.
Then he's got this one.
The prosecutor might consider, I didn't mean to interrupt the court. I was hoping the prosecutor might consider just letting this go and letting him go on and do his time.
Is that on insufficient evidence or what?
That's judicial expedience.
All right. Well, Kenny,
I believe he's in a breakout room with someone else right now.
all right, we'll leave this open. Kurt, wait a little bit and let me talk to Kenny
Okay, Judge.
to see what we got there.
Thank you, sir.
All right, attorneys, make yourself known so I can call you. Otherwise, I'm gonna call the rest of the docket, which is huge. Abelardo
Yes.
Garza.
I'm present, Judge. I've got Jose Angel Ortiz. He's got two cases, 628691 and 92. And I believe he's in jail and he's got a felony pending as well, Judge.
628691 has been reset 16 times. I want this.
Well, he's got a felony pending, I know that, Judge.
I understand that, but he's also had this case pending for 16 recalls.
Right. And probably 92 as well, Judge.
Are you gonna confer on this then?
I'll be happy to confer, Judge.
Let's have you do that. Let's see if we can't get rid of this thing.
Yeah.
All right, attorneys, anybody else? There you are. Let's see. No other attorney?
No,
Hello.
no other attorneys, Judge.
All right, then I'm gonna call the rest of the docket. Folks, when I call your name, make sure you let me know you're here. 559-742, State versus Clinton. Molina. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Está en comunicación con su abogado Eric Hernández.
Sí, me dijo que me tocaba la corte hoy.
Have you heard from him, Linda?
Yes, he's gonna be running late, Judge.
All right. Le espere su abogado, ¿eh?
Okay.
593076. State versus Rocky Soto. That's Flavio Hernandez's attorney. Have you heard from Flavio?
Yes, I have. He's late. He'll be late, Judge.
And Rocky Soto is a fugitive. He continues to be. 609-616, State versus Joe Rubio. Attorney Richard Langlois. Have you heard from Richard?
No, I haven't.
All right, now that's problematic because that's been reset 20 times. Joe Rubio is a failure to appear.
I'm present in the courtroom, sir.
All right. Courtroom, have you heard from your lawyer? Does he know you have court today?
Yes, sir. They had told me to come. He's still been sick. That there was another lawyer was supposed to come today to see me, but I didn't see no other lawyer.
Did you get a name or something?
No, sir.
All right, well, stick around a little while. We'll try and find out what's going on.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you being here on time. 621-709, State versus Crystal Teran. Attorney
Here, Your Honor.
Carolyn Whitland.
Miss Whitland is in trial, Judge.
All right. And Crystal Teran.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here. Good morning.
All right. I'm going to recall you in 2 weeks because this thing's been reset 27 times.
September 26th.
You got it?
Okay. So, do I be excused or do I wait for my attorney?
You're excused for right now. Thank you, ma'am. Let's see, on to page 2. Six, 3, 4, 4, 6, 9, State versus Ethan Shaw. Andrew Fraley, we heard from Andrew.
Yes, he'll be late, Judge.
I'm right here, sir.
Mr. Shaw, good morning to you.
Good morning, man.
Stick around, wait for your lawyer. Thank you. 635-448, State versus Jonathan Coleman. Attorney David McLean.
Case is being reset, felony pending.
Alrighty. Last one on page 2, 653-650, State versus Joel Diaz. Attorney Joanne Akel.
I'm here.
Mr. Diaz,
Yeah.
good morning. Wait for your attorney. Have you heard from Joanne?
Yes, she's running. She'll be late, Judge.
All right. On to page 3. 653-946, State versus Madison McIntyre, attorney, Robert Valdez. We didn't.
That
quite-
one, yeah, that's gonna probably have to get reset out. He's gonna come see me later.
All right, 654-692, State versus Giovanni Gutierrez. He's in jail, attorney Gil Calderola.
She's gonna be late, Judge.
Okay, and Mr. Gutierrez is absolutely on time. 658-336, State versus Percival Bragg. James Tochi.
That case is gonna be reset felony pending.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Last case on page 3, 667-684, State versus Damian Gurley, attorney Bob Hicks.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Gurley.
Good morning, sir.
Bob Hicks,
Mr. Hicks is gonna be late.
Mr. Gurley, wait for your attorney. Case number 672-985, State versus Tracy Klein, attorney Sharon Thorne. Tracy Klein,
She's having sound issues. She should be on Zoom.
okay. How about Sharon Thorne? Have we heard from her?
I'm looking at my emails. I haven't received an email from her, but let me look on my phone as well too.
Showing her no response at this point. 674-912, State versus Brandon Cummings, attorney Kyle Ernst. Brandon Cummings. Failure to appear at this point. Kyle Ernst, have we heard from him?
No, sir.
No response from Mr. Ernst. 675-167, State versus Gisela Gonzalez de Rojas, attorney Alice Warburton.
That one will be recalled for tomorrow, Judge.
All righty. I see Rebecca Brett. Ms. Brett,
Yes, Judge. I conferred on Miss Belinda Casillas's case, 682-616.
Page 7, Judge.
yes, ma'am, thank you. 682-616, what is your report?
Yes, Judge. Kenny would like one more reset to try to reach out to the complainant. So if we could get like a 15-day reset or a 2-week reset.
Let's make it 15 days, more or less.
How about September the 26th?
I'm
Vacation.
out that week, Linda. Yeah. So maybe one more week.
How about September 20, I'm sorry. October 3rd?
That's perfect.
Okay, we'll do 2 weeks then.
All
October.
right, continuing the docket, 675-257, State versus Kimberly Martinez.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Ms. Martinez is present.
Yes, she is, okay. And what are you
And-
doing with that case?
Well, there's a felony pending, Your Honor, and there has been for quite some time. Linda, does there show a date on the felony?
Let me look. Give me 1 second.
It's still unindicted, though. It's NITMAG number. We'll reset you 45 days at this point.
I appreciate it, Your Honor.
All righty.
Yeah, no date yet. 45 days would be October 31st.
Do not wear a mask. 675-505, State versus Fernando Sepulveda. Russell Mitchell's attorney.
October 31st, Linda? Is that?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. And we may excuse, Your Honor.
Sure, you're excused.
Thank
you. Russell Mitchell, Linda.
Oh, no, I need to appoint another attorney to that one. He's not on the wheel anymore. He asked me to reappoint another court-appointed attorney for Mr. Sepulveda. But is he here?
Fernando Sepúlveda. Fernando Sepúlveda is absent. Excuse me. 676-313 State versus Sabe Jackson, and that's Gail Calderola.
She's present in the courtroom, Judge.
Good morning, Mr. Jackson. We're in touch with your attorney. Stick around, wait for her. 677-640 State versus Crystal Martinez, attorney Sharon Thorne.
Just went to the back, Judge.
What did we find out about Sharon Thorne?
She's gonna be late, Judge.
She went to the back. The defendant is here in the courtroom, Judge.
Very good, thank you. 678-238 State versus Timothy Sotelo, attorney Robert Barons. Heard from Judge Barons?
No, sir.
No response then. And Timothy Sotelo? Failure to appear. 678-284 State versus Amanda Ogden, attorney. Brenda Levinson.
I'm here.
Good morning, Ms. Ogden.
Good morning.
Are you in touch with Brenda Levinstein?
No, actually, every time I call her, it just hangs up. It doesn't like go through to voicemail. It doesn't ring. It just automatically hangs up.
All right, well, stick around a little while because she usually shows up.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard from her, Linda?
No, I haven't heard from her.
All right, no marker, no response.
Hello, hello.
678-979 State versus Sergio Chavez, attorney. Jeffrey Martinez.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Chavez. And Jeffrey Martinez, Linda,
I haven't heard from Mr. Martinez.
no response on this
I
one.
talked to him this morning.
So he knows he has court, but he didn't bother to contact court. All right, stick around and wait for him. 679-171 State versus Mahaliwa Banusha. And that's,
Judge, I have a question, Judge.
who has a question?
Ethan Shaw, my attorney told me that he told you where he was. So I guess he's busy or he's somewhere else. And he said, he just texted me, he knows where I am. Andrew Froelich.
You'll have to
Yes,
wait
I
for
know.
him.
We told you he was gonna be running late.
Well, okay.
All right, stick around, wait for him. Mahaliwa Banusha, failure to appear.
No, he's putting his hand up, Judge,
Where is he?
right there. In the blue.
There you are. Good morning. We'll show you present and we'll show that Mr. Martinez has not responded. 679-862 State versus Noah Cook or Coke. Thomas Beck is attorney.
Mr. Beck came by the office, sir. It's a no file and I've reset it.
All right. On to page 6. 681-786 State versus Justin Perales, attorney Sonny Middleton. It's a no file also.
Reset 45 days.
Six eight two 229 State versus Ricardo Fernandez, attorney Alberto Rodriguez.
Mr. Rodriguez reached out to me and I'm resetting that felony pending.
You do know that this shows Mr. Fernandez as a fugitive, right?
Yes, and I did inform him of that.
The clerk, Judge, Lorraine verified it. It's not active anymore. It's not showing active.
All right, very good. 682-416, State versus Roland Alvarez, attorney. Joanne Akel. Roland Alvarez, failure to appear.
Present, Your Honor.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Alvarez.
morning.
Joanne Akel, Linda.
She's gonna be late, Judge.
All right, on to page 7. 683-991, State versus Ronald Williams, attorney.
Yes, sir. I am here.
Simon Rawls.
I am here. I talked to Mr. Simon on Friday. He had court this morning. He told me that it was supposed to be reset for the 12th of October. And he told me he just emailed me and let me know that he's gonna get in touch with the court.
Linda?
Yes, sir. He did reach out to me last week. It is being reset for him being in trial.
All right. Thank you, sir. You're excused at this time.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
684-754, State versus Terry Waitman and the attorney Simon Rawls.
Same thing with that one, Judge.
Okay. Six, 685-266, State versus Tammy Rose, and that's Sharon Thorne.
Your Honor, I'm here.
Judge, she is in custody in the jury box. The attorney is here.
I'm here, Your Honor. Let me move back. Apparently, she had a violation report with a pretrial. She's in custody. Like to ask either that she be reinstated on bond or if I can confer with the state. I also have another client on the docket, a Tracy Klein. She should be on Zoom.
Right.
But Tammy Rose, it's my understanding, she's here in the courtroom. They've got her in the box. I checked with your clerk. They said that she had a violation report with pretrial.
All right. Well, we'll have to look at that shortly. Stick around a little bit.
Yes, sir.
Jerry, Javier Garcia, what you got?
Yes, Your Honor. I conferred for 682-159 Desiree Larry Claflin.
Say that again.
I conferred for 682-159.
Page 6, Judge.
682-159.
Yes, Your Honor. Shannon Locke's the attorney of record.
Right.
And Your Honor, for that one, I did confer with the state. I'm asking for a reset to present some mitigation evidence to try to get an offer.
Just give you 40 days.
Thank you, Your Honor.
October 24th on that one.
Thank you. And I also conferred for Rick Garza, 620-512.
I'm sorry, hold on a second.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Mom. I'm in court. Hello. Mom, I'm in court. I'm in court all the mornings. Bye-bye. Okay, get back to, what's your case number?
Yes, Your Honor. It's 620-512, Rick Garza.
Okay.
And he's there. That case should be dismissed upon payment of full restitution. He's there at the courthouse. I directed him how to make that payment right now. So I'm expecting a receipt of proof of restitution payment.
I'll recall it 1 week.
There's no Rick Garza in the courtroom, Judge.
He was there. I directed him to make the payment real quick, Your Honor.
All right. If he makes it and it gets cleared, then report back.
Yes, Your Honor. Recall for 1 week. Thank you, Your Honor.
John Gomez.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here for Mr. Blank, 665-851, page 3.
66585. Okay, what about it?
I spoke with Mr. Yanta. He's gonna look into something real quick for me, Your Honor. I would just need a short reset to the middle or late of end of next week.
Recall 1 week.
Uh,
Next week, Linda.
How about the 23rd?
the 23rd works. Is Mr. Blanks, is that enough time for work?
Yes, sir.
And that'll work.
All right. Javier Garcia.
Are we excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Neftali Rodriguez.
Morning, Judge. On 670592 on page 4, I did confer with Mr. Delco and received an offer, so I'm going to confer with my client if we just get a reset. This is the first setting.
About 10 days. How much time you need? Hello.
30 days, Judge.
Which one? What's the case number?
670592.
All right, we said 30. Make it 28, Linda.
Okay, I am gonna give you, 30 days, October 17th.
Thank you. May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge. Y'all have a great day.
You too. Back to the docket. I think we're on page 7 now.
Yes,
We have one case
no,
left.
we're done on page 7. We're on page 8.
Yes, we are. Page 8. Six, 8, 5, 692, State versus Samuel Luna, attorney, Ernest Acevedo III.
Mr. Acevedo reached out to me, reset felony pending.
Down here, the middle. I'm saying.
686584.
Okay. Judge, unmute yourself.
Judge, you are muted.
Judge, yeah. Okay,
Linda,
yes, sir.
Andrew Fraley,
Yes, he's running late, Judge.
on the next two cases on page 8.
Yes,
686584 is Jorge Solis. Are you present? Jorge Solis is absent. 68756, pardon me. 686.
Hello, Your Honor. Jorge Solis,
56, Timothy Hernandez. Timothy Hernandez.
Judge, the
Hello, Jorge Solis.
210832 at the very bottom, that he's answering to under Jorge Solis.
He's in the courtroom.
no, he's on,
Yes,
he's
sir.
on Zoom.
Zoom, sorry.
All right.
He's
Mark
here.
present. And Timothy Hernandez. Failure to appear.
He's waving, Judge. He's waving.
Okay, I see him now. All right. You guys wait for your attorney, Mr. Fraley. Page 9. 688103, State versus Natalie Merrifield. And that's Carolyn Wentland,
Yes, and she's in trial, Judge.
and it's a no file, so reset that.
How many days?
Probably 30 should be able to do it.
Okay,
Well, it's a new file, so let's see what happens in 30 days. 688160, State versus Richard Johnson, attorney, Richard Saldiva.
Mr. Saldiva reached out to me. He's in trial in LaSalle County. So it's gonna be reset felony.
Okie dokie. And bottom of page 9690137. Listed as a fugitive, Joe Salazar, attorney, Ronald Zimmerman.
Mr. Zimmerman is gonna be late.
And Joe Salazar, Salazar is a failure to appear. Page 10. 690-180, State versus Abel Palomo, attorney Julie Pollack.
Ms. Pollock will be late.
And Abel Palomo, failure to appear. 690-197, State versus Ivan Hernandez, no attorney.
Yes.
Madam President,
Yeah.
this is Rochelle Acevedo.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, I was just hired on Friday. We filed a notice of appearance. So I think I'm on the system
On whom?
now. On Mr. Hernandez, Ivan
Okay.
Hernandez.
Is
I'm
he
present.
Okay,
He
thank
is
you very
present,
much.
Judge.
I saw you on
And
there. I couldn't figure out what case you were in.
And I'm sorry, Judge, I checked the system. My name was on it. I assumed I was on the docket. But Judge, considering I just got hired, can we get a short reset so that I can download the discovery and review with my client?
How about 3 days? 30.
Maybe a little longer.
Well, 30 days will do.
Yes, Judge, please.
All right, then you're excused. Thank you for showing up.
October
Mr.
17th.
Hernandez, thank you for being on time.
Yes, sir.
Stay
Thank you.
in communication with your lawyer.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Linda. Thank you, Judge.
Welcome. 690-198, State versus Ashley Hernandez, attorney, Simon Rawls.
That case is being reset. He's in trial.
Okay. 690-239, State versus Julio Avina. That's Flavio Hernandez
Yes, he's running late. He'll be late, Judge.
and Julio Avina or Avina, one of the two, is a failure to appear. 690-268, State versus Charles Gable, and attorney is Gail Calderona.
She'll be late, Judge.
And Charles Gable, failure to appear. 690-371, State versus Nathaniel Ramirez, attorney. Joanne Eko. Nathaniel Ramirez is a failure to appear. Joanne Eko,
She will be late, Judge.
Hello? I'm here, Your Honor.
Mr. Ramirez.
Remove that beanie, please. Remove the beanie from your head.
Thank you. Stick around, wait for your lawyer.
Judge, this is Abelardo Garza.
And that is our docket.
Okay.
All right, we have Brian De La Rosa, what you got?
All right, I've conferred on both of mine, Your Honor. See, I'll start with the easy one. Dominic Sesko, 668507. He needs a little bit of time to contemplate his offers, if that would be okay.
A little more time to contemplate his offers. Okay. How about 30 days?
That'll work perfect, Judge.
Reset.
1017.
Make sure
That'll
you,
work.
Make sure you put in there, Linda, 30 days to contemplate.
He's got a bit of a
Brian,
he's got a bit of a
the other one.
he's got a bit of a unique offer there. Yes. On the other one, Your Honor, have some procedural issues on that one. If I could talk to Linda for a minute.
All right,
Can you call me?
call her after I complete the docket, which will be shortly. All right.
Okay, sounds good.
Karen, let's see, Karen Corby, and then,
Yes, Your Honor, I conferred on Ronald Hochleitner, cause number 630740. We're requesting a 30 to 45 day reset, please, for the state to get restitution and for my client to consider the offer. Please.
Which one is it, Karen?
Ronald Hochleitner, 630740.
Oh, 630. All right, you said 45 days or 30 days, or what is it?
30 days is good.
30-day reset.
October 17th?
Sounds good. Thank you. May we be
You're-
excused?
Yes, your issues, thank you.
Thank you.
Abelardo Garza,
Judge, he said just reset it because of the felony.
okay, give me a case number, Abelardo, I only got.
Top of page.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's good.
628-691 and 92. He's got two cases, Judge.
Say
And he's in
again?
jail.
Say again,
628-691.
all right. I'm gonna reset it. What's the minimum we can do? He's in jail. Mr. Garza,
I'm sorry, Judge.
what's the minimum we can do? He's sitting in jail.
Let me see if I think we have a court date, Judge.
He has a court date December 2nd for trial in the 186.
That's Linda Flores.
All right, so where are we?
Well, we're set for trial on that. I hope it's going to take care of these two as well, Judge.
It's set
Okay.
December 2nd, Judge.
All right, so then you're excused once you got your setting there. Who's in the courtroom?
What day, Linda?
If it's set in
Judge
December,
O'Donnell,
I'll do it that following. I'll do it on the 5th of December, I guess.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, if I can work something out before then, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. in
You
the
guys have a
courtroom.
good one, Judge.
Pardon me?
this is Kirk Sherman on Donald Deary. They were gonna decide if they were gonna dismiss it,
All right,
please.
We just want to come talk to prosecutor.
you're gonna,
One of the prosecutors is gonna,
Kirk, are you in touch with Mr. Delco?
Judge, I am
Am I in
aware,
touch with who?
I am aware of no dismissals for this. I don't even know what case we're on. I'm sorry, Judge.
It's on page 4, Kenny, 672-541, Donald Drury.
And he's serving sentence.
and he's serving it, he's been sent to TDC and this is holding him back from getting transferred.
I don't see how this has been sentenced yet. I don't see that. I show awaiting.
I show that he is also awaiting a sentencing hearing, so I'm not sure why he's being held back from TDC when it hasn't even.
It's not showing until October the
Yeah,
18th.
maybe-
And he has
Can we
another
read-
case judged out of the 187th that's pending, that's awaiting trial. So he wouldn't be going to TDC anytime soon.
All right, Kirk,
Okay,
check it out.
I'm not
for-
trying to mislead you, but if you,
All right, who's in the courtroom?
oh, maybe.
Good morning, Judge. It's Jay Moritz.
Jay, what's up?
Mr. Mark McPherson, I think it was on page 2 or 3. I didn't bring the docket this morning. I was here on another case. I think he's a fugitive. Mark McPherson.
Oh, okay, see him. He's actually on page 4, 673-123.
He's got 7 or 8 pending felonies, Judge. I'm supposed to be removed on most of the felonies because he retained an attorney on all but one.
Jay, he's on this docket, he's showing 5 felony pending, all of them unindicted. Oh, I take it back. 5 felony pending, 1 is unindicted.
Yes, Judge.
All right, so let's reset you 60 days to see where the dust settles on this.
Okay, Judge.
He's here.
And meantime, Mr. McPherson is a failure to appear.
That's my understanding. I haven't had any contact with him. Like I said, he retained an attorney who's been dealing with him on the other stuff, so.
Okay.
All right, Judge.
You're
Thank you.
excused then. Yes, sir. All right, anybody else need to check in now?
Good morning, Your Honor.
We finally
We have two
slipped through the
attorneys in the
whole
courtroom,
thing.
Judge. 2 attorneys in the courtroom.
All right, who's in front of the microphone there?
Eric Hernandez, Your Honor, for 559-762, page 1, number 1.
559-742.
62. 62, 42.
742.
42. I can't read my own writing.
And that's Clinton Molina Marroquin. He is present.
Yes, Your Honor, we had sent the PTD contract. If I could get a 2-week or a 30-day reset, and I'll reach out to Mr. Delco to see what the holdup is. I don't know if it's him not reporting or if it just the dismissal hasn't been tendered.
Well, let's make that 2 weeks. It's been reset 8 times. We'll give you 2 weeks to at least get some kind of a clear understanding of where everybody is.
Yeah, Eric, we don't tender the dismissals. They take them down to the judge from PTD. So I'm assuming your client hasn't reported.
All right, we'll get that figured out, Your Honor. I'll reach out to Mr. Delco to see who I need to contact to see where the breakdown is and hopefully get that resolved in the next couple of weeks.
Good enough. Then you and your client are excused for it now.
Eric, you can talk to Beatrice Chavez.
Okay, I'll reach out to her.
Okay, and I'm gonna give you September 26th.
Very well. We'll see you then. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anybody that thought their name should have been called and didn't hear it or came in late and didn't hear it? First of all, Sharon?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here to talk to you about 2 cases. The first one is on Tracy Klein, 672-985. I need to know whether or not she logged in today, and I'm gonna need to confer, but I'm gonna also have to go down to 13 to do a plea.
672-985. Tracy Klein did respond.
Okay. I will need to confer on that one. And then my other client who is here in custody, Tammy Rose, 685-266. And that's the one where there was a violation report filed and they did a bond increase.
685-266. Tammy Rose did respond.
Yeah, she's the one in court, Your Honor. She's in the box.
Okay.
The
where are
bailiff
we
took
on
her in
that?
custody. Yeah, we got to figure out what's going on in that. I also would need to confer on that, Judge, but I've got to go down to 13 to do a plea.
Okay,
I'll be back.
we'll be here.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Mr. Ethan Shaw, if you can please sit up and do not display your legs for the Zoom or you will be removed, sir. Please sit up properly for the courtroom. Thank you.
Good morning, Judge. This is Joanne Akel.
Good morning, Ms. Akel.
Judge, I have 3 clients on your docket this morning. The first one is Roland Alvarez. He has 3 cases. He's on page 9. And I have the case.
Roland Alvarez, you said?
Yes. Page 9. His first case number is 682-416.
It's not on page 9.
Oops, sorry, Judge. Let me check it again.
682, what?
416.
It's
I'm sorry,
on
he's
page 6.
he's on the first page. Sorry, Judge.
682.
416.
Page 6, Judge.
Gotcha. All right. Roland Alvarez is present.
All right, Judge, he has a felony pending.
That's correct. It's unindicted.
Yes, and I do not represent him on that, Judge.
It's also got a notation on there under felonies, 1993 CR. What the heck is that?
Probably one that was termed and sat more than likely.
All right, so what are you doing on that?
I don't represent him on the felony, Judge. I would just ask for these cases to be reset till after something happens on the felony.
All right, let's give you 60 days on this.
Thank you, Judge.
November the 14th.
All right, thank you very much. All right,
What
I
else you
also, I have 690371. That would be Nathaniel Ramirez. And that is on page, hopefully my page number is right.
What is the
Page
number?
10. Page 10, Judge, 690371. Bottom of the page of page 10.
Right. Okay, what are you doing on that one, Joanne?
Judge, that's a new appointment. I need to go through all the discovery. And then after I've done that, to confer with the state.
You also have 3 felonies pending that are unindicted.
Oh, then I would ask for a reset for felonies pending.
Okay, Linda.
11/14/22. Same as the other one.
Yes, that will work. Thank you, Linda.
Mhm.
You got a third one, or did we already do it?
Yes, no, Judge, I do. I have Joel Diaz. He's on the Zoom.
653-650, page 2, Judge.
And that I need to confer with the state on. I sent Kenny an email, but I don't know
All
if he
right.
got it.
I'm showing you conferring.
So Mr. Roland Alvarez excused, he is present in the courtroom.
Yes,
Okay. And
you.
his court date is for what day so I can inform him?
November 14th.
Thank you.
And Judge, if I could confer before I go into the breakout room with Nathaniel Ramirez, I think he's on the Zoom also.
Okie dokie.
I will put him in the same breakout room with you.
Great, thank you, Linda.
Mhm. Exit my door. And follow some directions.
All right, anybody else need to check in? Okay, it is 10:14. Let's take a short recess.
Am I good to go? Do I have to stay on here?
And then you have to wait, your attorney was gonna confer, I understood.
I think my attorney just spoke. You're unmuted.
Who is your attorney?
It's the
Joanne
last case
Oh,
on page 2, Joel
Yeah,
Diaz.
you need to wait. She's conferring with the DA.
Okay, just
Well,
making
she'll
sure.
be conferring, so just hold on.
Okay.
It's been reset for November 14th.
Somebody in the courtroom need to check in, Ms. Grabowski?
What was that, Judge?
Was there somebody in the courtroom needed to check in?
No, sir. He just was checking on his court date.
Yeah,
The one
I
that just
know.
left with Joanne Aco.
I show the courtroom's got a hand up, so I'm just wondering if somebody was waiting.
Oh, no, I need to take it down. It was for the attorneys, Judge.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. All right, let's take a recess.
Then we're just gonna go on and.
She'll be back on your case. Is that what she said? Martinez? Yeah. Okay. What's your last
I
name?
think she returned a text.
What do you mean? Searching to find? So if you're not, I don't show you here, give me a few seconds, I'll tell you again. So you probably are in county court 13 because I'm already on page 5 and I don't see you. Not on 6. Not on 7. 8. 9. No, you may want to check in with county court 13, 3rd floor downstairs. You're waiting on the attorney because your attorney was ill, correct? Short review? third one. Review. It's a friend was ill, so it's gonna get reset. Yeah, that's pretty short. No, it's something. Oh, that out of. September 26th, Mr. Rubio.
Any paperwork?
Not, no, if it's been reset, you're supposed to do any paperwork, you would have done it today, but since it's been reset, you could probably do it then. Everything is done through Zoom, so if you want to do everything through Zoom, or you feel free to come in person. Let me give you that information. But make sure you log in at least 5 minutes till, but everything is done through Zoom, unless you are instructed by the judge to come in person, everything is done through Zoom. You just download the app Zoom, that's a meeting ID, that's password.
And then did they say anything about? Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. So September 26th.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, have a good one.
You too, sir, thank you. Your last name, sir? Ronald?
Yes.
You waiting on your attorney?
I just text her, I don't know,
Is she's gonna make it or not?
it's about week trial 17 October. She's still eager.
She told you, you're going to trial?
Yeah, it was on the Zoom,
Okay.
17th of October. It's a recess. I just got a text.
Page 2. 630-740. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay. I just spoke with the coordinator. She needs for you to go back there.
Back there.
Yeah,
There being.
I'm gonna send it to her office.
Okay.
Okay, as soon as you exit my door, make a left. The tile's gonna be black and brown. As soon as it turns white, it's gonna be a short one, like 8 feet from here. As soon as it turns white, make another left, so it's left. It's gonna be a brown door like this one. You go in that door. It's gonna have a short curve. Second door to your right, it's gonna say County Court 5, Judge Longoria. Go in there, give them your last name, tell them that Lena needed to give some information to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Last name, ma'am. Yeah, last name. Jackson. Sabay? Xavier? Okay, Miss, your attorney is Gail. Yes, she notified the court that she's running late. What happened?
She seems like, okay, she's been on paper. I don't know the name.
Did you speak with the clerk or the coordinator? Soon as you walked in, did you speak to the one in the front or the one on the side?
One on the left side.
No, it has to be the one in between both of them.
So,
So-
cause I went in the room, but, the dude, that Ruben dude, did you see over there? I seen him in there, so I was talking to the other girl, she said she couldn't find him.
No, there's a lady, soon as you walk in the door, right, as soon as, there's one right here, not her. And then there's one in the office, kind of like to the corner. And then there's one in the front, so you have to talk to the lady right in the middle, because she's gonna have your paperwork.
Oh, okay.
Linda is her name.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Make sure she's comfortable.
Matt, sir?
You gotta tell Miss Tenny something to make sure she's comfortable. No one was. Like, we're out.
Did her attorney,
Ms. Sharon Thorne has told me, she got the dates for the any time served in the jail. So she's gonna post a judge on that.
Yes.
So, that's as far as
Yes.
it goes.
Right. Yes. Yes.
So, Ms. Rose, did you hear what I mentioned to your husband? Your attorney got a hold of the jail, see how many days you have credit in the jail, and then she will approach the judge on that. But it's gonna be a while. It can be between now and 12 o'clock. If it's past 12 o'clock, hopefully not, I'll have to take you down.
And once they posted a bond, I was able to get all that taken care of too.
Yeah, that you would have to let the attorney know, that way the attorney can address that to the judge.
Yes. Yes. Now, Brian.
Yeah, exactly. Six and five. No, then it goes 1 to 7, then it goes to 2, then it goes to 5.
Okay. All right, I want to be sure. Good to see you.
What's that?
I don't want a cold.
If she goes into custody, then she can take it right now.
Yes.
Linda Flores, are you there? Judge Longoria, are you there?
Ms. Aiko, court's in recess for a few more minutes.
Oh, okay, thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome.
I'll hang loose.
Ms. Aiko.
Yes, Judge. I was wondering if I could go in a breakout room with my client, Joel Diaz.
Of course. Linda, would you please place them in breakout? Linda Flores. I think she's on a break. She's on a break too.
Judge, I'll go ahead and move them for you.
If you can, go ahead.
Joanne, go back to 1, and your client was who? Joel Diaz. Joel Diaz, please go to breakout room number 1 as well.
Thank you, Kenny.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Kenny.
You're welcome, Judge.
Oh. Oh. Okay, give me one second. Brian. Brian De La Rosa.
Here we go.
Hey.
This new screen's got me all messed up. Sorry.
It's okay. Hey, get off Zoom and call me and we'll talk about that one case.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
sounds good. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
1 year probation.
Judge Longoria, are you there?
Here I am. Here I am.
Oh, thank you, Judge. This is Joanne Agel again. I've worked out a plea bargain agreement for my client Joel Diaz. We just need to schedule a date to come in and do it.
So what's the bottom line?
Well, there's a plea worked out for Mr. Joel Diaz. But we
The
need,
last one on page 2, Judge.
Yes, when are we gonna do that?
when is the court available, Judge?
Linda?
The last one on page 2, how long did you need, Joanne?
We need to come in and do a plea.
Oh, a plea, okay, reset for plea. How about September 21st or 22nd?
Is that the soonest possible date?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how about September, did you say, oh, the 21st or 22nd, not the 20th, right?
No.
Oh. How about the 21st?
Okay, at 1.
1 o'clock? Okay, very good. May we be excused, my client and I, Mr.
You're
Diaz and I.
excused.
Thank you, Judge. We'll see you on
welcome.
the September 21st.
Thank you.
Everybody have a good day.
Joanne, what are we doing on your other client? Yeah, is she leaving? Yeah, she left.
Hey, Judge, there are going to be 2 dismissals going to your Adobe sign. One is going to be 689015 and then 689016, and I'll get those sent over shortly.
Who are they?
It's for Jimmy R. Faz.
Okay.
He's not on today's docket though.
Linda, I'm sorry. Were you trying to ask me something else?
Yeah, but I found out that we already reset that one as well.
Okay,
You only had 2, right, on the docket?
I had 3,
3.
but
Who's
2
the-
of them were reset for felonies pending, and then the
Okay.
last one was this plea.
Okay, all right, I just wanted to make sure. Okay.
All right, thank you, Lindy. Have
You're
a good day.
welcome. You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Okay, so on Mr. Rodriguez, he's got a new case and he's going to be appointed a new attorney on both of his cases.
You want to tell me what case number you're talking about?
Yes, that is
It's 668.
Is the case,
906.
and then he's got a new case, which is not on today's docket, 69164.
It's on here, 6619, 691664. It shows on the docket.
Yes. Okay. But since I am no longer on the appointment wheel, Ms. Flores is going to appoint him the same counsel on both cases. If that's okay with you. And Mr. Rodriguez is okay with that as well.
All right. New attorney. What'd you say about, didn't we reset, Cisco?
Yes, Sesco's taken care of, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm still working on that one.
So this one's reset too, so.
And Mr. Rodriguez is going to be contacting Ms. Flores to get set up with all those details.
Right. All right. Thank you, sir.
All right.
You're
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
You are. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
Linda, do we have anything this afternoon or no?
No, because judge isn't gonna be available, so I know Mr. Valdez is gonna come in for me to reset the what do you call it? The motion to suppress this.
Okay.
We don't have anything this afternoon. Yeah, no.
Do we have anything tomorrow?
Yes. You should have gotten the email, but it is. Let's see. Cornelius Cox is what I have, and the Carolyn Whitland. Carolyn's might get reset. I don't know because she's in trial still from last week. But I do have Cornelius Cox at 1:30, and then I had Carolyn Whitland at 3.
Virgil, do we have enough time to send those out, or should we just reset those?
We're supposed to do it no later than 3 the day before, if it's SAPD.
Okay, let me see if that's SCP. Okay. Linda, so in the calendar, you have Yvonne maintenance for Cornelius Cox, but that's not who that pulled up. That pulled up Savannah Medina. So I don't, and that shows that Michael Young is the attorney.
666-595.
Yeah, that's Savannah Medina.
Okay.
And Michael Young is actually, this case has been closed a long time ago. Yeah, this is for Savannah Medina.
Sorry, I might have just put the wrong case number. Hold on, okay?
Okay.
Hey, Kenny,
Yes,
the 5 at the end should be a 6, sorry.
that's okay. Judge, can we get a new date for that one? Hey, Linda, can we get a new date for that one? I don't think we're
Yeah,
gonna.
I'll call Cornelius and reset it for tomorrow. And then I'll find out about Carolyn's as well, because I'm not too sure about her.
Yeah, I think her trial is gonna run over, honestly.
So I'll find out and I'll call them today and get resets on those.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Candle, great lotion. Judge,
Yo,
morning, Judge.
Hi,
You're
ma'am.
going, Judge, you're going full throttle, like you have the whole screen for yourself, sir.
I'm telling you, what's happening?
It's like they say, go big or go home, right? I didn't know if you were having trouble minimizing it or no.
No, I'll just catching up on some of this other stuff they sent me.
Okay, Judge.
Is anybody waiting for me or something?
Not that I know, no, we're just waiting on Sharon Thorne on that.
Gail's in the courtroom, Judge.
Say what?
Gail Calderona.
Okay.
Good morning, Judge. Can you
Good
hear, did I
morning.
press the right button? Yeah, I guess I did. Judge, I had, I believe, 4 cases this morning, and I apologize for being late. I had presiding, and then I had the 290th, so I came to you as soon as I.
Other than that, you're not too busy, huh?
No, I'm busy.
What's happening?
I just wanted you to know I'm here, and I need to confer with the prosecutors on these cases.
Okay, I think there's 1 or 2 that they hired people.
Oh, okay.
Let me see
I think
here.
it was one. Hold on. Yeah, 685747, Gail, if you have the docket, page 8.
Yeah, what is his name?
Yeah,
What is his name?
I
I don't have it. I don't have.
Demi.
Okay, I got it. Demi
Got it?
Lacer. Yeah, I got it. So he retained.
He retained counsel, Justin Hagee.
Okay.
He sent you notice.
And then I have Giovanni Gutierrez. He's in custody and his case is next week. His MTR is in the 227th. Next week or the following week. Let me look.
Okay, why don't we reset him for 21 days?
Okay, that's good. And then I have Savay Jackson and
October
Charles
3rd on
Gable.
that one. Okay.
And I just have to check to see if they're present.
Xavier Jackson is present here in the
Be
courtroom.
there in
Judge.
the courtroom with you.
Page 5.
Savay Jackson?
Yes.
Okay, and then Charles Gable?
Think he FTA'd. Hold on, let me check. Yes, he was an FTA.
Okay, well then let me get with Miss Jackson and I'll
So
select-
on Gutierrez, I'm gonna reset it to October 3rd.
Okay,
And then just let me know about Jackson, okay?
I will.
Okay.
How do I confer here?
With an attorney?
Yeah,
I
with
mean,
the prosecutor, with the DA, yeah.
Let
I
me
need,
put you- I can put you in a breakout room. Hold
all
on.
right,
One
thank you.
second.
And thank you, Judge.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Take care.
He can be out there waiting. I just want to talk to the prosecutor. How do I join? How do I join? this?
Grabowski should be able to help you join. Kenny or Virgil, can one of you confer with Gail, please?
I got it. Which
Okay,
one are we
thank
putting
you.
her in? Yeah.
2, I think.
Nope, Virgil's got her.
Okay.
So Judge, how was your conference?
Pretty good.
Go ahead.
1 or 2 presentations that were a little bit boring. But, you know, you have to sit through those too. That's what you're supposed to do. Did you get to catch up on some of your work?
No, I was in training all week.
Oh, okay.
I
I
took
thought
a
I
day
heard you
off
say
because I
something about
wasn't
training.
feeling well. And then I was in training Tuesday, Thursday, and half of Friday.
Well, hell. What can we say, huh?